guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Carly and I'm back with another video. For today I'm going to be recreating Burger King chicken fries. Like, what? I'm so excited. I did a video showing you guys like my favorite low calorie fast food items, so if you haven't seen it, check it out. And in that video I said I would recreate some stuff, so today we're recreating chicken fries. I'm so excited because they're super tasty, they're low calorie, and like they're just everything and more. So I'm super excited about that. If you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Carly. I'm on a weight loss journey, currently 65 pounds down, and I love sharing it with you guys. I do what I eat in the days, I share healthy recipes, I show you guys some of my life. So if you're interested, subscribe, join the fam. I'd love to have you. Just keep up, you know, we on this journey together, so you might as well subscribe so we could support each other. But yeah, let me stop talking and let's just get into the video. So I just wanted to take some time out to tell you guys about the air fryer that I'm going to be using today. It's a new air fryer, literally brand new, just dropped like this week. I'm gonna show you guys. It's so cute. I feel like it's so like sleek and modern. So this is the Elechomes air fryer. It is 6.3 quarts. And it's super big. You could see inside. You could fit a lot in here. This is a lot bigger compared to the other air fryer that I had, but I love it. It's so sleek and just like really square. And I feel like it just looks really cute on your countertop. Like, it's touchscreen and it has everything here. At first I thought you touch these, but no, you actually touch here. It goes up to 400 and as low as 180, so that's pretty cool. It comes with this free little booklet. Has like a little card. This is cute. You could register for warranty. And this is just the user manual. And it tells you everything you need to know about this air fryer. I'm super excited about this. You also get a little recipe book with a whole bunch of recipes. Like, this is beef recipes, orange glazed pork tenderloin, crispy chicken breast. Yes. So this book gives you a lot of good ideas for dinner that you could make in your air fryer. Literally lobster. Like, what? Shrimp. Y'all know I love shrimp. There's just so much good stuff. You could make muffins, a whole bunch of stuff. So this book, I'm definitely going to be using it and trying out some of these recipes. They also sell a 9-piece air fryer accessory set. It doesn't come with the air fryer, it comes separately, but it's 9 pieces. So you get some tongs, you get a little silicone mat so that you could put the air fryer basket on top if it's hot. There's a pizza pan, which I'm really excited to use, and maybe I could come up with like a low calorie air fryer pizza. A little cupcake pan that's also silicone, which I feel like this could really come in handy. And I could do a lot of different things with this. And this right here is like a little rack that you could put in your air fryer. This one right here is super cool. It's actually a bread shelf. So you could put slices of bread in between. And I guess you could like toast it and just make your bread in the air fryer. So I feel like this is really cool. I've never seen this type of air fry accessory. And they have a cake pan, y'all. Like, should I really try to make a air fried cake? I've never even like thought of that, but that's super cool. I'm really excited to use this one right here. It's a skewer rack. So these are like little skewers that you could put anything on here, chicken, beef, shrimp, and you could cook it in your air fryer like that. These accessories are super cool and I feel like they're like worth the investment, especially if you have the air fryer. I would just like get the accessories to go with it. So the air fryer will actually be linked down below, and I also have a 40% off coupon code that will be valid from August 15th up until August 31st. So if you're watching within that time frame, make sure you take advantage of this and use that 40% off, because that's pretty good off of an air fryer. Enough rambling, let's get into these chicken fries. So we have our chicken breasts all laid out here, cut into little strips. My meat is already seasoned. I seasoned it with salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, Montreal chicken seasoning, and a little bit of olive oil. So that's what I did here. I actually made the breadcrumbs all by myself, and it's pretty low calorie. So let me know if you would like the recipe for these breadcrumbs. So these are what I'm going to be used to coat the chicken. And I'm also going to season the breadcrumbs a little bit. But here they are. They smell so good. I was like so shocked after I made this and saw how well it came out. I seasoned the breadcrumbs with a little bit of the Montreal chicken seasoning, some garlic powder, a little bit of pink Himalayan salt, some ground onion, and a little bit of black pepper. And I just mix it all together. Take the chicken and cover it with the breadcrumbs till it's covered all throughout. So now I'm gonna start to put the chicken fries in one by one. So now I'm just gonna add these into the air fryer. I'm going to turn it on. I'm gonna put it on chicken for 12 minutes. And I'm gonna put the temperature down to 380. So it's going for 380 for 12 minutes, and I'm gonna press play. Well, press start. So the air fryer is going right now. When it hits the halfway mark, I'm going to open it and flip the chicken so that it could cook evenly on both sides. But yeah, this is a super easy recipe. It's literally 2 ingredients, and you pop it in the air fryer and it's done. You got chicken fries just like that. Super fast, and they're super low calorie. I'll have all the nutritional information on the screen like when I show you when everything's done, and I'll also have it down below in the description just so you guys can know, and I'll also have the recipe down below for you guys as well. Now that we're at 6 minutes, I'm going to open it, and it is looking so good already. I'm going to use my silicone mats, and I'm just going to use the tongues to flip them over. And now I'm going to put it back in the air fryer for the remainder of the 6 minutes. Once you put it in, it just starts right back up and resumes where you left it. So here is the chicken fries. This is how they came out. They look so good. These are the regular, boring chicken fries. And these are the healthy, low-calorie, homemade chicken fries that are super good. So I'm going to taste test it. Take the one on top. These are so good. I really like these chicken fries. In my opinion, they're so much better than these chicken fries. Like, these are just like, like they taste like gourmet, like homemade, just like they really hit the spot. These are like, but these are like, oh my goodness. I'm gonna put all the nutritional information on the screen over here so you guys can see the nutrition for the Burger King chicken fries and the homemade chicken fries. In my opinion, the homemade ones are so much better. They are so good. Like, I could just eat these all day. So I'm really amazed with how these chicken fries came out. They came out so good. I feel like they look so good. They taste even better. In my opinion, they taste better than the original chicken fries. Like, these are just like so good. It amazes me how well the breading stayed on, like without eggs or flour or anything. Like, I literally just used breadcrumbs and chicken. That's all you need, and it's low calorie. It's just so good. Like, I feel like it's so worth it to make the homemade ones. And on top of that, it's so fast, especially with the air fryer. Like, you're not there with grease frying things like hot, you know what I mean? You just pop it in the air fryer, flip it, plop it back in, take it out, and you're all done. But yeah, that's the end of my video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you would like me to recreate any other fast food items. I would love to do it. This was super fun. If you end up making these chicken fries, make sure you take a picture and tag me on Instagram so I can see, because I would love to see you guys like recreate these things. This is why I do it, for you guys. So if you recreate it, take a picture and tag me, and I will post it on my Instagram as well. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up and press that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and let me know what other things you guys would like me to recreate. Let me know what videos you guys would love to see, and I will make it happen for you guys. But yeah, that's the end of my video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.